Hello Ji, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going for a trip in the mountains of Borzava. So we are basically doing a hiking of 3 days, and we have a train at 8:41 a.m. and it's currently 7:50 and we are waiting for the cab. So I hope it goes well and there is nothing to be worried of. So let's begin. I'll show you everything and we'll be together in the whole trip in the 3 days. Guys, something very adventurous happened. Like, I booked the train with everyone, and unfortunately I was not able to catch it on time. I was just late by 1 minute and I saw the train going by, and it was very heartbreaking. But after that I got to know that in Puri Vokzal, that is the other railway station, they have another train going. Finally, we are in Volovets. So we are going to meet Victor. Hello, Victor. Did you miss me?
Yes. Hello.
Where's everybody?
Good to see you.
So from Volovets, we are taking a taxi or a cab to Borzava, near Borzava. From there, we'll be doing the hiking as usual. So the ride is over. Now we are near the village of Borzava. From here we'll hike till the river or the waterfall and after that we'll camp near the waterfall. We'll enjoy a bit. Finally the hiking has begun. Now we are going towards the waterfall. It's been 30 minutes from the starting point and we are still hiking, and this is the waterfall that I was talking about. Now we'll camp here. Just kidding. It's nothing. We are waiting for our mate because they are far behind. So we are near the waterfall and we gave the registration fees. It was around 20 hryvnias per person, and now we have to just walk for 5 minutes more and we'll be near the waterfall. So I'm really excited. So Victor,
Yeah,
how many times have you been here?
I think at least 3 times.
3 times?
Yeah, but last time it was maybe 7 years ago.
7 years ago?
Yeah, I forget a lot of things. I'm excited to be here again with you.
With me? Or with
Yes.
all of us?
With all
No,
of
it's right. So I was asking that today is normal, tomorrow will be very tough hiking. So
Yes.
for the first timers, it is normal or very hard hiking?
Yeah, it's normal.
It's normal hiking?
Yeah, it's normal. But we will have two full days.
Okay.
So it's pretty good for first time, you know.
So we are near the waterfall. So this is the view from the top of the waterfall. There you can see Lakshya. After clicking so many photos, so we have enjoyed a lot here. Now we are going for the hiking, and after 30 to 40 minutes we'll put our camp and tent and we'll cook something to eat because I'm hungry and I'm exhausted and I'm tired and you know everything. It was very adventurous today, so we are heading back for our hike. So this is the last time we are seeing the civilization. So Victor told us to say goodbye to civilization. Now we are going inside the forest, and for 2 days we are going to stay there only. So God bless us. भाई लोगों ने हवा बना रखा है कि हाइकिंग करेंगे, पहाड़ पे जाएंगे, टेंट लगाएंगे, वीडियो बनाएंगे। इतनी आसान नहीं है। क्यों? बहुत दिक्कत है इसमें। इतनी आसान नहीं भाई साहब, इट्स नॉट टू इजी। हालत खराब हो गई है। जोर से बोल लो, सारे बोल लो, आवाज नहीं आई। मिलकर बोलने। हालत खराब हो गई भाई। I'm really tired, bro. So we have reached the day 1 camping site. We'll be camping somewhere here near the stream of water, and I'll show you one thing. Like this is very good water. Like I drank it and it tastes really good. How's it? It's tasty, right?
It's different.
Yes.
Very tasty.
So this is the place where we are putting our tent, and in middle you can see these stones for fire. We can just already see the view. अगर हमारे आग एक्सपर्ट, अगर आपको किसी की आग लगवानी हो प्रशांत से बात करें। बुझानी हो तो लोहे तल्लो ब्रो।
Forget to put everything, all the stuff in tent, because it will be wet during night.
This is the hiking traditional food, couscous. So we just boiled it and we'll add some spices that we brought. I brought Maggi masala and salt. So we had our food. It was just couscous with some vegetables and spices. and now all are tired and everybody will rest and sleep, and at night we'll watch the stars because Victor said that stars are really good here. So this is the end of day 1. Meet you tomorrow. Hello guys, तो मैं टेंट में सो रहा था और अचानक तूफान आ गया। जैसा कि आप मेरी हालत देख पा रहे हो, मैं भीग गया हूँ, सारा भूत निकल गया भाई हाइकिंग का।